Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a drawing frame at home. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need a sturdy base like cardboard or thin wood strips, a precise ruler, and a sharp craft knife for clean cuts. Don't forget strong adhesive, such as wood glue or a hot glue gun, to secure your frame pieces. Also, have your finished drawing and a clear protective sheet ready. Next, let's focus on precise measuring and cutting. Measure your drawing's exact dimensions to determine the inner opening of your frame. Then, cut 4 strips from your chosen material. 2 strips will match the length of your drawing, and 2 will match its width, plus the thickness of the other 2 strips. Ensure each strip is at least 1 inch wide for a robust frame. Now it's time to assemble your frame. Apply a consistent bead of strong adhesive along the edges where your frame pieces will meet. Carefully join the 4 pieces, forming a perfect rectangle or square around your drawing's dimensions. Ensure the corners are 90-degree angles for a professional look. Press firmly for about 30 seconds and then allow the adhesive to cure fully, which might take several hours. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your handmade frame. Once the adhesive is completely dry, carefully place your drawing inside the frame, followed by a clear protective sheet. Secure them with small tabs or a thin layer of adhesive on the back. Attach a sturdy backing board for added support. You can then personalize your frame with paint, stain, or decorative elements to match your artwork and home decor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.